So in today's video, we have the Walmart winter box. This literally just got shipped to me today. Today is Sunday, January 30th. I believe this is about $7 every season. So this is going to be short and sweet, probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made. So if you want to see what I got in the Walmart beauty box, hear all my thoughts and opinions, then keep on watching. Alrighty, I always forget about this subscription box, always, because it's every seasonal, so you get 4 a month, and I never know when it's going to be shipped. You know, like winter is, I know a lot of people already got their boxes, you know, so I forgot about it, and it's Sunday. I didn't think anything was coming, so it comes, you know, like with the plastic on here, so you can see I haven't even opened it up. And yeah, I think it's like $7. It used to be $5, and now it's like $7 or something, which is still, I look at it like this. You're paying $7 for shipping, and everything in here is free. Right? That's how I look at it. This is basically you get samples and stuff. Now, when you go onto the site, I will leave a link to the Walmart box in the subscription box. When you go on there, you fill out a profile. You put your name, your address, your age, because I believe there's 2 different ones. So there's like classic and trendsetter, I believe. So one of them, like the younger that you are, you get one, and then the older that you are, you get the other one, right? So depends on what you want or what you like. Then, you know, you either lie about your age or what have you. And then, like, yeah, it comes every season, you know? All right, so this is what the box looks like. There's like a hole in here, like all the way through. So hopefully nothing got damaged. And these have its hits and misses. How the heck do you open this? Oh, this way, Ann. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so you get a brochure. It says Walmart Beauty. And then what this does tells you everything that can be in your box. So this is not everything that you get. It's what can be in your box. So, oh, this wrapping paper is actually, tissue paper is really beautiful. So here is a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. And yeah, now there are sometimes you will get maybe one or full-size item. For the most part, it's just samples, you know? Okay, so the first thing I got looks like perfume. It says, "Yes, I am glorious," from who you be? I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up, but yeah, it says, "Yes, I am." Okay, sometimes the things aren't even in here, and I'm like, what the heck? So this is from Cantu. I have never heard of this before. Now, the full-size item would be $22.98, and it would be 1 ounce. Of course, this is not full-size, but I have really been into perfume lately. Like, I remember years I would be into, like, either highlighters or blush or bronzer, especially eyeshadow palettes. But for the last maybe 6 months, I have been into fragrance. Like, I go on Ipsy and buy a lot of their, like, perfumes. Oh, I just hit you. So, oh my God, now this is way down here. You get hardly nothing. This is another reason why I used to get the Macy's Beauty Box, because you would usually get like 2 sample sizes. And then what I do is, do I have a bag here? No. The Ipsy Glam bags, what I do is the ones that I really, really like, I put these little sample sizes in my Ipsy bag, because a lot of times you can't read. I can't read, you know, I have those Asian eyes. I can't read what it says, but I know if it's in that bag, I really like it, and then I just spray myself, you know? And there's been times I like it so much, I go buy the full size. Okay, stop talking so much, Ann. Let's spray and see. Oh, that smells good. That smells really, really good. Oh, look what the bottle would look like. Okay, I'm going to put this right on my little thing here. All right, so that's boy, that smells good. That's the first thing. Okay, the next thing is a leave-in conditioner. And this might be full size here. Let's see, because you know sometimes they have like the bags, you know. They have here, you could have got the Garnier Retinol Smoothing Serum Cream. I wish I would have got that for your hair. But I got this, but where is it? I don't see it. I don't see this, but you know what? Here's a little scanny thing. Let me scan this puppy and see if it, like, everything comes up, you know? I don't know. It's coming up with winning a $100 Walmart box, Walmart gift card, and then it's a whole bunch of stuff you have to answer. So we'll do that later. I don't want to, like, keep this, you know. But yeah, I don't see it. But yeah, it's the Cantu. Now, it says it's new. This Cantu, My daughter uses it, and I used to use it when my daughter was little. You know, it's good for like curly hair and stuff like that. But I'm going to give this to her because this is the brand that she uses. And I really like this a lot, especially for my daughter's hair. So it says mineral and oil free. All right, and it's hydrating. It's for a repair. All right, so we have that. And like I said, I don't know if this is full size or not. It might be, but it doesn't, I don't see it on here to get a price. All right, so moving on. The next thing we have is this Hydration Multiplier. Oh, this is a drink mix. And I always say I do not like to get supplements or anything like that in beauty boxes, you know? Now, however, a lot of things like this I give to my husband because he likes it, you know? So it's more of a personal preference. All right, let's see if this is in here. Yeah, full size would be $8.98 and you would get 6 of them. It says get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. All right, so it's like an electrolyte powder drink, so you'd put it in your water and stuff. He'll definitely use that. All right, the next thing is from Gold Bond, and this is, I'm trying to see if it's for your hands or your body. Well, it's a moisturizer, like a cream. Has hyaluronic acid in it, yes. All right, let's see what this is. So full size would be $4.97. It would be 5.5 ounces for the full size. And this is a body and face lotion. But I would probably use it for my hands because my hands get very, very dry in the wintertime. All right, so I'll use that. All right, the next thing is this. What do you be? This is, I can see here, is a Sukin Signature Hydrating Mist Toner. This is full size. It's $9.99 and it's 4.2 ounces, I think. Is this 4.2? Let's have a look. I believe this is definitely full size. No, this is 1.69. So this is a sample size. All right. It's a mist toner. Let's see what it smells like. Has like a clean kind of smell. I like it. I'll definitely use it. All right. And we have 2 more things. Wow. All right, so we have an eyeliner here, and let's see what this is, who this is by. I'll have to look because it has plastic wrap, but when you have white and then you have like white or silver, like the font, I can't really read it too much, you know? So, this is a brow pencil from Lottie London, and it's full size would be $6.98, so this is full size. All right, let's do a little swatchy swatch. Oh, so here's the spoolie, wrong end. So it's the brown, which I'm glad. I don't know if it's taupe or what, but it looks like it's a taupey color. So this is always a little light for me, but I definitely use these colors like in the front. And a lot of times when you press a little harder, it can get darker, but this feels like hard though, you know? All right, so we have that, which is great. And last but not least, we have this. This looks like a lip gloss. Yeah, this is from NYX. Yeah, it's a clear lip gloss. Who don't like that? And this is $7.50, and this is full size. So we got some good items, I think, for $7. I think this box is like $6.98 or something like that. So let's recap everything that we got. We have a lip gloss, and you guys know I love me some lip gloss. We have I was going to say mister, a toner, which I will use. I will definitely give this to my daughter, so that will be used. This I do not like in beauty boxes, but my husband will use it, so that will be used. This perfume smelled amazing, so I'm glad to get that. And then we got this cream. And this is a pretty good brand, Gold Bond. They make like I'm diabetic, but they make like diabetic, like foot lotion and for your hands and stuff. So I do enjoy this, but I'm going to either put this in my pocketbook or, you know, stuff like that to use for my hands. So I will use that too. So, oh, and a brow pencil. And I'll definitely use this. I wish it was a little bit darker, but I get why they have to do like taupey. You know, that way it matches more people, you know? So everything in here I will use. If somebody said, do you want all this stuff for $7? Hell yeah. It's definitely worth it. Now, like I said, it does have its hits and misses. When Walmart Beauty Box first happened, you got all of this type of stuff. It's like foil packets. And it was like for $5. A lot of people complained. I used to complain, but then I looked at it like, It's only $5. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely improved and got a lot better. Let me know down below, do you get the beauty box? Are you interested in it? And like $7 for every 3 months. I mean, you can't beat that. But let me know what you guys think, you know. Is it something that you would purchase? Let me know. And let me know, are we box twins? Did you get what I get? And also, a lot of things. Let me know if you already got it. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, that's everything. Short, sweet, simple. And I'm going to get the heck out of here. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Make sure that you comment. I do have a giveaway going on for our 50K. It is 10 winners and then a surprise giveaway, which if you watch the video, you'll know about that. So I will leave the link down below in the description box. And that is everything. All right, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, this is really, really good. Like, I am impressed, Walmart. All right.